See how to use this swing indicator. So once you get access to the swing indicator, it will automatically come under indicators in invite only script. So if you just click on indicators, under invite only you will receive this indicator. So you will have to load this indicator. So you can see here, when you load this indicator, your chart looks something like this. Instead of jumbled red and green candles, you will see a group of candles which are red, green and yellow candles. Red candles indicate that the stock is in the downtrend, green candle indicates the stock is in the uptrend, and these yellow candles which you see here and there is an indication that the stock is in the range bound zone, or there might be reversal that might happen. So this will clearly tell you where you have to buy, how you have to sell, because whenever you see a uptrend, you will see bunch of green candles. This will help you to take the entries, and whenever you see this bunch of red candles, that means the stock is in the downtrend and we are not going to take any entry in the stock. Also, when you see yellow candles, it is an indication that trend reversal might happen, or there might be stagnation or range bound zone, so we cannot grow our money there. So when you see the yellow candles also, it is better to stay away. So with this color combination itself, you can play around, you can frame your own strategies and take the trades. And for swing trade, this works very well. Even though you are an intraday trader, as I keep telling in most of my videos, it is very important for you to bifurcate your capital. If you put your entire capital in intraday trading, then the chances that all of your capital will be wiped out in few months is more. So it is always better to divide your capital, put some money in the long term investment, some money for swing trade and some for intraday trading, so that the profits that you get in swing trade will balance the loss that might happen in the intraday trades. The chances of making losses in intraday trades is very much more than in swing trades and long term investments. So now, when you want to take the swing trades, you just can load this indicator, that is swing indicator, and you can just check where is the stock now, how is it performing now. If you check Reliance, you can see already we got a buy signal over here. So at the end of the day, you can just check whether you got a buy signal or not in a stock, and once you get the buy signal, the next day again you will have to monitor this stock, and when you see that the price of the stock just is near the high of the previous day, you can go about and take the entry. So here we got the buy signal here. The next day we will go about and check, and when we see that the price is somewhere close to the high of the previous day's candle, we will go about and take the entry in that stock. Now, what will be the exit criteria? You can either go with a fixed exit criteria of say around 10 to 15% or 10 to say 12%, which is very much good. Whenever you see a 12% increase in the price, you can directly go about and exit. That is one way of exiting. Secondly, whenever you see that the trend line changes from green to red, that can also be your exit in the initial stages. Once you become stable, then you need not exit when you see a red trend line, because it can be a slight pullback. There can be a continuation of the trend even after that. But when you see a red trend line along with a yellow candle or a red candle, then definitely you will have to exit, because we cannot take the risk of holding the position even after that, because this might be an indication of the trend reversal or stagnation phase. So whenever you see a red trend line, you might hold or you might exit. In the initial stages, better to exit. Once you get hold, once you see some profits, then you can try exploring more and hold the position, because you can see usually stock moves upwards, then does a stagnation, then again moves upwards, or it moves upwards, does a pullback, then moves upwards like this. So this can be a phase where it is a slightly stagnation phase which can again continue with the same trend. So if you are a beginner, you can exit at this stage or you can hold up to this stage. But when you see a yellow candle along with the red trend line, it is always better to exit. Third option is you can wait until you get the exit signal in this particular indicator, but I will not recommend it, because you will get an exit signal, but it's better to exit little early. Here if you observe, we got the entry here. Okay, this is our buying position, and from here if you observe, we made almost 21% of returns, right? After that we got a red trend line here. It is very much advisable to exit here, because already we have made 20%, right, return, and it is wise decision to exit here rather than holding it. So if you hold further, then this will be your exit, because here we saw a red trend line along with the yellow candle. So this is our exit. If you are still more adventurous and if you are still more experienced and want to exit only when the exit signal comes, then you can see this was our entry and we exited somewhere here at 15%. Had you exited here, then your exit would have been at 20%. So it is always better not to wait for the exit signal. Okay, you just exit when you see a red trend line or when you see a combination of red trend line with a yellow or red candle. Immediately exit. Here also you can observe we got the buy signal over here and immediately we got a small red trend lines over here. This could be your exit, or if you are used to trading, then this will be your exit when you see a yellow candle along with the red trend line. So checking another stock, CDSL, you can check this with any number of stocks. Okay, you can see here we got the buy signal. So next day when the stock comes closer to the high of this level will be your entry. So if you are a beginner, then you will exit somewhere here taking this 20%. Again, 20% is a very good return. So even if you are not a beginner, it is advisable to exit there, or you can hold the position until you see a red trend line with a red candle or a yellow candle. This is another stock. If you see HDFC Bank, you can see our entry was somewhere here, right? And up to here when the trend line color change, we already made 7%, which is a good return. You can exit there, or you can hold further and wait, and now it is already around 10% return, which is a good time to exit in the swing trade. Here you can see we got a buy signal over here, and you can see here we got a red trend line with a yellow candle. So it is a good time to exit. So it is almost exit at cost to cost instead of waiting for the exit signal to come. Here you can observe in the stock Sun Pharma, we got a buy signal over here, right? And you can see this is a very big candle, right? So instead of taking the entry right above this, which is again very far away from this trend line, you can wait for the retracement. And when this retracement happened, after this you have to get a green trend line with a green candle, which did not happen till here. So here we got a green candle with the green trend line. So this can be a entry taking point. But again, as I said, then you will not take the entry directly here. The next day you will have to wait and take the entry somewhere at this point. But here you can see yellow candle has come. So again we are going to wait. So when we get a proper green candle, the next day if that candle is also green, then only you are going to take the entry. I hope you understood. When you see a very big candle like this, if the entry candle is very big and it is far away from the trend line, do not take the entry directly. Just wait for the retracement, that is for the bunch of yellow or red candles to come. And after this retracement, you have to get a green candle with a green trend line. Now again, since we got the entry somewhere at this point and now it is again far away, it is better not to take the entry. It is better to wait for another entry signal to come to take the entry. And for exits, you also have another way of exiting, that is, if our entry is somewhere at this point, you can just locate the previous swing high and you can exit there. If you just want to do a positional trade or you don't want to hold too long, then the previous swing high can also be your exit. And here if you observe, our previous swing high is somewhere at this point. So you can directly go about and exit here instead of holding it for too long. Let us check one last stock. You can see we got the entry over here. So the next day near the high you can take the entry and this can be your exit somewhere here, making a profit of around 12%, or you can wait. If you wait, your exit would be here with almost cost to cost. So if you follow this indicator, the chances of making loss in the swing trades is very low. You can easily either exit at cost or you can easily make up to 10% profits. So it is very much beneficial for the swing traders so that they can just load this indicator, check out all the stocks, and whichever stock they find is good, wherever you see a entry point, wherever the buy signal comes and a good green candle with a green trend line comes, you can directly go about and take the entries. So you can shortlist the stocks and apply this indicator and check for the entries. That will also work better.